guys, I'm gonna open this one.
Hello, everyone.
I'm saving it.
Yes. Woo! So, look at what we got, guys. So many stuff. Got a keyboard. We got some cars, color wheel, monster trucks. Yes. And look at him fishing it out. Yo. Should I help you?
Wow.
Wow.
Shark teeth.
Shark teeth. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Whoa, wait. Let's do a close-up. Bring him here.
See it?
Whoa.
Banana.
Whoa. Whoa. That is sick. Wait.
Yeah. Look at that.
What is that? Let me see it.
It's a megalodon.
Look, he has a button here. Wait.
He lights up. Wait, turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Let's see how it looks like in the dark. Look at it. Whoa.
Open it.
Okay.
That is awesome.
How do we turn it off?
There's a button. Let's see. That button. Yo, we got the cat to join us as well.
Say hello, Jimmy.
Hello. No, leave him.
He don't like my toys. He thinks it's food.
No, he doesn't. He knows it's not food. Oh, look at
I'm
him.
open to loco.
Wait, guys, close up of Jimmy. Okay.
Why are you doing it? Oh, get out.
No, don't do that. Did it help?
It's tape.
It's tape. It's okay. Let's get the scissors out. Everyone, make sure Jimmy.
Make
Everyone,
scissors go out to help you.
Yes, make sure to use scissors with an adult because they can be very dangerous. But Jimmy,
Maybe you'll cut yourself.
try again.
Yep, it's still open.
Woo!
Got to walk out.
Yo!
What he doing? He's doing a tool.
Jimmy's trying to join in.
It's trying tool.
Let's see. Put him to the screen.
I'm gonna take it out.
Is that a reindeer? No, what is that? I don't know what that is.
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Wait to join the alligator.
Whoa, Jimmy.
Ugh. I am. Hey.
Let's see. You're unboxing of Jimmy.
What?
Show the camera. Whoa.
Oh, yummy. Look, it has spikes.
It's green.
I fell. Oh, I fell. My dog.
You want to unbox this one? You want to open this one?
No, I'd open this one.
Wait, we have one more.
Wait.
One more monster truck. And this one has a remote.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
But my cameras.
And it has batteries.
We'll try this later.
Yeah, we can try it later. Look, he's lining them all up. Whoa.
Look, the piano.
And now the keyboard. Let's go.
I'm gonna sing.
You're gonna sing on it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, see it.
You pull it, I drag it out. Teamwork, come on.
Whoa.
Good job. Guys, let's see, is there anything else in there?
It has a microphone.
Yes, it does. does have a microphone. You can plug it in.
Where's the plug on?
The plug, it goes here. Give. And now we need to plug it in. So we need a plug.
Hey!
We just laid on the piano. No. No, leave him.
Here's where the piano.
Let's plug it in. Oops. There we go. But now, guys, we need to figure out a place where to plug this in. We'll be right back. Guys, we got it to work. Oh, be careful. Hello. No, the mic. Hello. Wait, guys, this mic sucks. What's going on? Hello.
Oh.
Hello. No, guys. Guys, no. Is there a button that like activates the mic? You like it?
Hello.
Let's play. Wait, this is so fun. Wait, guys. Wait, listen to Bryan make some beats. Wait, be careful. Oops. Bryan making some beats. Oops.
Take the plug off.
Don't do it, because you can't bring it far. Come here. Yeah, let's go. And I'll keep. Oh.
Yeah, use it.